feel like it's Christmas.
Progress moving. Yeah! Woo! We're Erin and Brandon, an engaged couple in the process of converting this Ram ProMaster into a camper van so that we can road trip to every national park in the continental United States. For the past 2 weeks, we've been slowly chipping away at projects big and small.
I installed the caulking for these fans on Saturday. It's now Monday and I think it's pretty much fully dried, so I'm gonna add a layer of Eternabond on top. That should just give us 3 layers of protection between the initial layer of butyl tape plus the Dicor and then the Eternabond on top. Hopefully there's no worries with water leaking into the van.
One thing that really should start pulling things together is the flooring. I am flying solo today. Bran is working still, so I am getting some jobs done on the van that are deemed appropriate for me to do by myself. I am going to fill in these little holes with putty. We had these bolts on the van that we got rid of the other day, but now we just have to fill them in and put Rust-Oleum so that there's no rusting. Okay, all 6 of these are done. Putty worked out super well, it seems. So happy about that. And after that, I'm going to be tracing our floor. So yesterday, my mom and I went around the perimeter of the van and traced all of the little indents and creases, since there's a lot of little divots and edges that need to be rounded and cut to the specific size. Yeah, my mom is helping. She's actually mostly doing all of it. I'm the one who's helping.
That's not true.
So that when we're cutting the wood that goes on the floor, we'll know exactly the size and we'll know how it should be cut. I'm hoping that everything goes well, and I'm just gonna get started. Happy dance.
We got our batteries. They're really heavy. We got 2 200 amp hour batteries because we never want to have to worry about power. So hopefully we won't with these huge batteries.
They're both like 130 pounds. Oh.
I feel like it's Christmas.
God, you get excited over this. Wow.
Beautiful.
I'm about to cut the floor. Erin and Catherine measured out all the edges. So now I'm just gonna cut the template that they made for the side and hopefully it fits. First shot, just like the window and the fans. Good job.
Yep, I'm okay. Ow, just right on my boot toe. God.
I should wear my boots for this. But it fits like a glove on the first try. Like perfect along these edges.
Perfect.
Oh, it couldn't be better. It's
Look
literally.
at it. Look at this.
Oh, that's excellent.
It's perfect.
And we could even push it a little bit that way. Oh man.
Wow.
Here, now close the door. Make sure it closes.
Oh yeah, it'll close.
Woohoo!
Yeah! Woo! I had one job.
She had one
And
job.
I did it correctly.
You did great. All right.
Everybody say hi.
Hi.
Family affair. not as much as a perfect fit on round 2. We're gonna make a couple adjustments. 2 little spots, one there, and one over here.
Erin's currently in the city with her dad, going to pick Paul up from work. And in the meantime, I'm gonna sand the edges and then we'll start gluing them down. Pretty exciting.
So now it is time to glue down the floors now that they're sanded and cut to the exact size that we need them to be. Brandon is using something called liquid nails. It's supposed to be really, really sturdy. We are just getting ready, gluing everything down now. Then we're gonna one by one put the pieces on, but we need to get heavy things so that it really sticks down. So now I'm gonna go rummage through the garage and try to find heavy things. First board went well, now the second board is going to be a bit tricky. So we gotta turn this around. Go, last one. Now it just has to dry overnight and hopefully it all is still looking good in the morning.
We're not gonna have the most perfect seams, but we're gonna put a floor on top, so it's not that big of a deal.
Good work, Bran.
I'm tired.
Team effort. Thanks, Dad.
Yeah, thank you.
Oh, look at this strong guy over here. 66, looking fit. And that was a successful flooring day. I'm excited because it really starts to feel like we're getting some progress moving.
We tried to put as many heavy items in there as we possibly could.
Yeah.
So hopefully it stays down, but I'm not gonna get excited until it does. Thanks. Tired.